Hello and welcome to Wellness with the Gardeners. I'm Dre, my beautiful wife Lulu. Mwah.
And
okay,
Hana.
and Hana. Let me not forget her. This video today is about my wife doing exercise. She's pregnant, and she just want to give you some instructions. But I first want to warn you to go ahead and check with your physician on what exercises are best for you. All right, my wife will take it from here. Enjoy.
Absolutely. Like my husband said, you want to make sure you check with your physician to make sure that you are doing what is appropriate for you. See, I lived an active lifestyle prior to pregnancy, so I can continue to do exactly the same thing that I was doing before, like dancing. I am a praise and worship dancer in my local congregation, and so I dance once a week there for about 40 minutes. So that's my cardio. I get my cardio, and and I'm getting it on, and I'm dancing and all that great stuff. But beyond that, throughout the week, because I'm practicing the dances, that also helps me to get my cardio in. So I'm dancing to about 3 songs. So again, that takes me about 40 minutes typically to do that praise and worship. But beyond that, when I'm at home, what I do, I focus on squatting. I love to squat. I love doing squats just to strengthen my lower body muscles. And I'm just going to let you know the benefits of squats. One, it helps to increase the strengthening of the pelvic floor muscle. So when you do that, it strengthens that pelvic muscle, so it's really good. Another reason is that it strengthens and help lower the risk of back pain and pelvic pain. So doing squats, it helps with that, and it's a great birthing position, and it helps you to have endurance when you're giving birth, and it really prepares you for labor. So just think about doing more squats in your exercise regimen, because again, it helps overall. It's a great birthing position. Again, it strengthens your Gluteus Maximus, which is your butt. So who don't want a great butt? Come on, everyone. We all want to have a great looking butt. So those are some of the great benefits of doing squats. And I just want to show you, because I'm pregnant, I always have a chair behind me just to make sure that I don't fall, just as an extra precaution. So I'm just going to show you a few moves of how I do my squats, and I do leg lifts as well. So it's very simple. Again, I do 3 sets of 12s of squats. But keep in mind, we're bending all day long, so we possibly bend quicker to pick up something. So if I'm doing squats, it helps me to learn how to use my back, my knees, you know what I mean? And I'm using, you see how I'm doing it? I'm not just going down like that, because I can hurt my back. So I have a great position in the way that I bend when I'm picking up something. So, but when I'm out here or when I'm indoors, if it's a little cold or chilly outside, I don't do my exercises outside. But if it is nice and warm like it is right now, since we're in Florida, I like to be outdoors to get vitamin D, to get that exposure. It's really good for us, especially for people like myself. We're vitamin D deficient, so I try to get all the benefits. And I'm not out here for long, so I don't wear sunscreen. So I'm here for about 10 to 15 minutes at the most, just soaking in as much as vitamin D as I can. So I'm just going to show you what I do as far as my squats go. Very simple. You can cross your hands if you want. You can have them straight out, but this is how I do them. And you can go even lower if you can. So it's all up to you.
And how many months are you, hon?
I'm in my 2nd trimester. Woohoo!
Awesome.
So 5 months. Very nice. I feel really good. I have a lot of energy. Again, I'm eating well, so therefore my energy level is great. No morning sickness with this child as well. So that is a blessing in itself. And I drink about 64 ounces of water or more per day. So I stay hydrated as well. So this is how I do my squats. And then I add in leg lifts. Very simple. So prior to pregnancy, I would just stand, and balance off like this. But pregnant, I want to make sure that I don't fall. So I just hold on to my chair and lift and lift. Again, you can do 3 sets of 12s or less. Do what's best for you. And I'll just go to the other side and do the same thing. Very simple. And it helps you to be nice and lean. Again, you're building those leg muscles, your gluteus maximus muscle, which is your butt. Really great. And I feel really good when I do it. And I don't overdo it. Anytime you feel that a little bit of pain, you want to stop. Because that means that you're probably doing something wrong or you have done too much. So you don't want to overdo it, but you still want to stay healthy. And guess what? As you continue to stay active after giving birth, you're able to get back to your weight size. Okay, so thank you so much for coming and viewing this very easy video. Again, stay healthy, just like I am. Drink a lot of water. Enjoy this video. Subscribe, subscribe, and subscribe. We love you. There it is, folks. Look at these glutes. Look at them. Bye, guys.